There's something magical about ice cream. It evokes childhood memories, sunny days, and pure indulgence. Now imagine recreating that magic in your own kitchen. Yes, you read that right. Making ice cream at home is easier than you think, and the reward is a scoop, or two, of pure satisfaction. Forget complicated recipes and fancy equipment. We're going back to basics with simple ingredients and a dash of creativity. This is about experiencing the joy of creating something delicious from scratch. It's about the anticipation, the aroma filling your kitchen, and the delight of that first cool bite. So, are you ready to embark on a flavor adventure? Let's churn up some happiness, one delicious scoop at a time. The beauty of homemade ice cream lies in its simplicity. You don't need a pantry full of exotic ingredients to create something incredible. Let's start with the essentials. You'll need heavy cream, granulated sugar, a pinch of salt, and your favorite flavorings. Heavy cream forms the base of our ice cream, providing that rich and creamy texture. Sugar adds sweetness, of course, but also plays a vital role in achieving that smooth, scoopable consistency. Salt, used sparingly, enhances the flavors and balances the sweetness. These four ingredients are your blank canvas. From here, the flavor possibilities are endless. Get ready to unleash your inner artist and create ice cream that reflects your personal taste. Now that you have your ingredients prepped, let's turn them into a frozen masterpiece. First, grab 2 zip-top bags, 1 gallon-sized and 1 quart-sized. Pour the heavy cream, sugar, and salt into the smaller bag. Squeeze out any excess air and seal it tightly. Next, fill the larger bag with ice and add a generous amount of rock salt. The salt lowers the freezing point of the ice, creating a super chilled environment that will freeze our ice cream mixture. Now, nestle the smaller bag inside the larger one, ensuring it's surrounded by ice. Time for some action. Shake the bags vigorously for about 10 to 15 minutes. This is a fun activity to do with kids, or even a little workout for yourself. You'll notice the mixture gradually thickening into ice cream. Once it reaches a soft serve consistency, you're ready for the next step. This is where the real fun begins. Remember those flavorings we talked about? Time to put them to good use. Carefully remove the smaller bag from the ice bath and wipe it clean. Snip off a corner of the bag and pour the ice cream base into a bowl. Now let your imagination run wild. For classic vanilla, add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Chocolate lovers can stir in melted chocolate or cocoa powder. Fresh fruit puree adds a burst of natural sweetness and vibrant color. Don't be afraid to get creative. Swirl in caramel sauce, sprinkle in chopped nuts, or fold in chunks of your favorite cookies. The possibilities are truly endless, limited only by your imagination. Once you've infused your ice cream with your chosen flavors, transfer it to a freezer-safe container. Smooth out the top and cover it tightly with a lid or plastic wrap. Pop it in the freezer for at least 2 to 3 hours to allow it to firm up completely. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Scoop your homemade ice cream into cones, bowls, or even use it to top off warm pies and crumbles. Take a moment to appreciate the creamy texture, the vibrant flavors, and the sheer satisfaction of creating something so delicious with your own 2 hands. Share your frozen masterpiece with loved ones, or savor it all to yourself. Each bite is a reminder that the best things in life are often the simplest to make and the most rewarding to enjoy. Congratulations! You've just embarked on a journey into the world of homemade ice cream. This is just the beginning. Now that you know the basics, there's a whole world of flavors and variations to explore. Experiment with different types of milk, try out unique flavor combinations, and don't be afraid to get adventurous with your add-ins. Ice cream is a blank canvas for your culinary creativity. So, gather your ingredients, put on your chef's hat, or not, and let the ice cream adventures begin.